Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo 4 for beginners. First, you'll choose from 5 powerful classes like the Barbarian or Sorceress, each offering a unique way to fight the forces of evil. Take your time customizing your hero's look, and then pick a difficulty that feels right for you. Starting on World Tier 1 is perfect for new players. Your initial goal is to complete the main story, which introduces you to the world and unlocks many important game systems. As you begin your adventure, focus on the main quest to progress through the captivating story and open up new areas of Sanctuary. Don't forget to tackle side quests and participate in dynamic world events. These are fantastic for gaining extra experience points and finding valuable gear. Always keep an eye out for waypoints to enable quick travel across the map, and seek out Altars of Lilith, which provide permanent stat increases to all your characters. Customizing your character is key to success. Spend your earned skill points wisely in your class's unique skill tree to unlock powerful new abilities and improve existing ones. Always be on the lookout for better gear. Items with strong stats and legendary aspects will significantly increase your combat effectiveness. Remember to visit the Occultist to extract legendary powers from unwanted items and imprint them onto your preferred pieces of equipment, tailoring your build perfectly. Once the main campaign concludes, the true endgame begins. Dive into Nightmare Dungeons, which offer increasingly difficult challenges and some of the best loot in the game. Keep an eye on your map for Helltides, limited-time events where you can gather cinders to open special chests for unique crafting materials and powerful gear. Finally, team up with other adventurers to take down colossal world bosses, earning incredibly rare rewards and proving your might.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.